अपनी पैंट की जेब में हाथ डाल के एडजस्टमेंट करना बंद करो और शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी बकचोदी।
See folks, I'm uneducated, but when highly educated, highly credential loaded PhD holders from WhatsApp University like Kashish Gupta spew BS through his goddamn YouTube shorts, I feel like I should call him out. He claims that this kind of variation during bicep curls magically grows your biceps by 200%, but this is absolutely false. Just look at the line of force. This is the freaking line of force. Wait one sec, I'll draw it again. This is the freaking line of force. Yes, this is the freaking line of force. I did it wrong. Yeah, this is the freaking line of force, and this is the elbow movement arm. So he says that by incorporating shoulder flexed position while performing the regular bicep curls using dumbbells, you magically recruit more bicep. You magically increase more tension on the goddamn bicep, which is kind of true because there is a significant elbow movement arm length while starting to perform the goddamn dumbbell bicep curls. But what you should note is that look at the shoulder moment arm length, which has increased significantly, which means that the demand on shoulder stabilization has increased to maintain the shoulder flex position, which is kind of useless. Shoulder moment arm is this big. It means that this has indirectly increased the shoulder stability demand. But why? Because there is no pad supporting your arm behind. So if you think that this gimmicky move can improve your bicep gains, you're abso-freaking-lutely wrong. And this science-based moron is trying to brainwash, gaslight you into buying his useless biomechanics course. Instead, performing regular dumbbell preacher curls or regular seated alternating dumbbell bicep curls will guarantee you more massive gains than this gimmicky move as demonstrated by Kashish Gupta. Even the regular EZ bar bicep curl is recommended because of its enormous progressive overload potential. A wise man once said, when you follow the goddamn masses, most of the times the M is silent. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping